Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2012 Chevrolet Orlando 2.0 VCDI turbo diesel with 163 horsepower. The vehicle is in metallic velvet red finish with a 16-inch Chevrolet alloy wheels. It's got a roof rails, rear parking sensors, and it is a 7-seater. This is the size of the boot. It's got split folding seats as well. Front view of the vehicle has got a front forks, it's got velour interior with 7 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with some cup holders, and for your safety it's got front side and rear airbags. It's got very good size of leg room. Here we have the electric windows and mirrors. It's got automatic transmission, a driver side armrest, some cup holders in the middle and some storage as well, 12-volt power outlet, air conditioning with a climate control, power and steering wheel, then it's got a AM/FM radio and a CD player, traction control, This was the video walk around of the 2012 Chevrolet Orlando. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.